This is a cheetah. And this is an ostrich, another champion of speed on the African continent. It lives next door to hyenas, lions, and cheetahs. The ostrich has such fast legs that no predator can catch up to it in a straight line, except the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on the planet. It reaches a speed of 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds, and its top speed can be 110 kilometers per hour. While the ostrich can go up to 60 kilometers per hour. That's why no one can outrun a cheetah.